Okay, go, stop, go, stop, go, stop, go, stop.
And I'm coming with that bow, bow, bow. Pretty bitch, I'm tryna hit her with that bow, bow, bow. Can't catch me slipping, I'ma up it when I bow, bow, bow. And bitches dance, I throw them bands and make them dance.
Ridiculous. I'm sorry.
Oh, that's all right.
I see. Well,
Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you a quick tutorial of how I made this really cute house for Bailey. Let's start with the actual base of the house. So for the actual base, I used an old shoebox because we had a lot of them just lying around. And I took out the top so that I can actually, play with Bailey inside of the actual house. Next is the bed and also these shelves and this ladder. All of them I used cardboard. Also for the bed, I used some paper and designed it for the blanket and taped it on the cardboard. And for this pillow over here, that's also actually a little piece of cardboard that I wrapped around some paper and also designed it so that it matches the blanket. I also added these really cute tiny posters at the side of the bed. Next are the shelves, and as I said earlier, I used cardboard for them, and this rod where the clothes are actually placed, I actually used a straw for that, but you can also use other items like skewers or barbecue sticks. Then, same goes for the ladder. I also used cardboard for that. For the mirror, I used foil for that, and also I added a little bit of background design. Then over here at the side, I used little pieces of straw so Bailey can put her bags there. Then I added a little carpet, and basically all I did was to cut out a circle using paper and colored it in. I'll also show you guys how to make these really cute items that I have over here. So this is the strawberry face mask that I made, and it's really cute. So the packaging is really cute. And this is the face mask inside, and it looks really cute on Bailey. So basically how I made this was I traced Bailey's face, and then I, cut it out for her eyes and her nose, and then I colored it in with some markers. And for the packaging, I also just used 2 pieces of paper and then taped the sides and then leave this one for the opening so I can put the mask inside. And I also added a little bit of a design. Next is this really cute laptop that I made for Bailey. And this is basically just paper, and I added the Apple logo on it. And inside I added a little keyboard and also a really cute home screen for the laptop. I also have really cute little cell phones, and I actually printed that, so you can also go look for that in Google because they're really cute. I'll show you guys how I make the clothes in the next video. Bye!
Relax.